Edwan here at VIP TV, and we're coming at you from Studio 504, formerly known as the Jazz Studio. And as you can see, I'm here with the beautiful Sherelle. We're at the VIP TV Photoshoot. Sherelle, tell us about what's going on right now.
Well, VIP TV is kicking off their talent agency today, and we're having a huge turnout with a lot of amazing talent artists, singers, and just a lot of stuff. Great makeup artists in the back. We got a lot of stuff going on. Fun.
All right, we're going to let you go in firsthand and see for yourself. We'll be back.
Hello everyone, this is Joe with VIP TV, and today I'm with Theory, the owner of Studio 504, formerly D-Jazz Studio. And today we're shooting a behind-the-scenes look at VIP TV Talent Agency. So Theory, tell me a little bit of how you got started, how long you've been here. Give me the background of the whole place.
Well, this is a multifunctional warehouse where we have a recording studio, we have rehearsals here, we have photography that goes on here, we have video, we have special events. And I've been here for about a year and a half, and it's been great.
I see every room there's something going on. Everywhere we turn, there's action and stuff going on. You know, as the owner and one of the producers of VIP TV, I know what it takes to put a production together. So, and being hands-on like I am myself, there's nothing like the final result, right?
Right. And it's just sometimes it's like 4 or 5 things going on here, so it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy it.
Back at you again. This time I'm with the lovely hairstylist slash makeup artist, Miss Drea Styles. Miss Styles, tell us about what you're doing here today.
Well, today I did the hair and makeup for Sherelle, as you see her in the background, for VIP TV. So Concept 85 told me to come here and show some love, so that's what I did.
All right, and how long have you been doing makeup and hair?
For a long time. I really got serious into it for like a little over 5 years now, so yeah.
And your work definitely shows. Tell us where we can find you online.
You can go to dreastyles.com, and all my links and booking is there, so dreastyles.com.
We had a great time here today at Studio 504, formerly known as D-Jazz Studio.
And Concept 85 with our great photographer, Rick Fresh.
A lot of things going on behind the scenes at VIP TV. We don't have to go home, but it's time to get out of here. Thank you for joining us.